Customers have asked for different solutions for lighter clothing. Some of our customers even wear very light sort of like polo shirts, and in the cases of stores it can be blouses and very light shirts. So we try to accommodate for not just the sort of the heavy duty wear that wears body wears cameras, but also the very light users as well. So the Mini is very, very light in itself. It's only 70 grams, so it kind of weighs almost nothing to wear. But we want to give flexibility wherever we possibly can, depending on what clothing customers are wearing. So what we've done is design something from scratch, really. It looks really, really straightforward to use, and it is really straightforward to use. It's two parts, a magnet that clips to the back of the holder, and basically the camera just sits inside it. So you just simply slide it in like that. Very, very easy to take in and out. The camera that I've actually got today is the very latest version. It's Series 3 of our Mini model. It incorporates a few extra features like a speaker on the back, an audible warning system. But equally, this magnetic holder also fits Series 1 and Series 2 as well. So depending on whichever Mini version you have, you can use this setup. So it's as simple as that to set it in. If I kind of show you, it holds it nicely and snugly. Even if you're jumping about a bit, I guess, or you're bending up and down to move things around or whatever you're doing, it's not going to fall out. It's not going to fall out of its holder. It's very easy to put in, but it's not going to fall out. Now, how do we wear it? Well, wearing it is very, very easy as well. And again, it does depend on what clothing you've got on you on the day. But the beauty of this is it gives plenty of options. So I'm wearing just a standard Pinnacle polo shirt, and all I'll do is slip the magnet in the back, and then I'll marry the camera up with that and basically adjust it to wherever, depending on how much stretch there is in the material, you can kind of adjust it around to suit a position that's best for you. Ideally, you want it to be sort of as close to, this area here, where you can see visually what's going on. The cameras give a great peripheral view as well. It's 130 degrees, I think, for the Mini, a little bit more for the 7s and 8s. But they give it a good rounded view. So if you're standing in front of a member of the public and you're dealing with them, that's not far away from your sort of eye line. But it does depend on what you're wearing. You want the camera not to be in the way of your day-to-day duties or your activities, whatever it is you're doing. And you don't want it to be somewhere where it's going to get knocked easily or banged about. Now, the beauty of this is as well, you can also combine this with our little lanyard. We do the little yellow and black lanyards as well. It's ideal if you combine it with that. Some of our users in their day-to-day work, they maybe carry boxes about if it's in retail, in stores, lift boxes and things, and there is a fear they could knock the camera off there, which wouldn't be ideal if we're being very honest. Simply pair it with the lanyard that just goes around the neck. You don't even know you're wearing it, but it gives that extra level of security, keeps the camera safe. But it is quite robust. I mean, it's, you can see I'm kind of pulling it about there. That's how you get the magnet off the back. Just yank it, give it a bit of a tug, and you have your magnet there. So simply, boom, that's it. And it can go kind of anywhere that suits the wearer for comfort.